Yo, I'm not trying to brag in no way, shape, or form. Let's make that clear, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie. I don't know yet if I'm gonna do like a bougie, fancy intro for this video, but here you go, here you have my hands. So I am actually here, and today we're gonna do a makeup collection. I just want to first say Happy New Year's, guys. I wish you the best. I wish you the more of what you want and the less of what you don't want. I really truly hope you guys can spend this year being healthy, being happy, surrounded by friends and family, people you love, and just achieving everything you're hoping to achieve. And I hope for us as a little family, I hope that we grow more and we just enjoy more, produce more quality content, if you know what I'm saying. I'm really excited for what's to come. 2019 is gonna be a good year. I can feel it, you know, and I spent an amazing 2018. Every year obviously has its ups and downs, but I've truly felt like this year I've achieved a lot. To be really honest with you, this is gonna sound so dumb, but I'm just gonna look quickly. How many subscribers was I at? Like on January 1st of 2017, I had 20 subscribers, as in 20. And as of today, I have 141 subscribers, which is definitely I went up a lot. I still haven't reached my goals. Like I'm really, well, I mean, do you ever truly reach your goals? But I still want to grow. I want to just produce more quality content. And now I'm gonna shut up because you're not here for this dumb talk. You're here for this. So I thought we would start the year off with a makeup collection because I personally love watching these. You know, just starting off the year with something new, something simple, something happy. In my opinion, looking at makeup is being happy. I love watching these videos because I love seeing everything that people have in their drawers, everything that people have in their makeup and beauty room. So I'm gonna show you what I got in mind.
So guys, I don't know how many times, you know, a girl's gonna have to film this makeup collection, but this is my third time, so let's get it poppin'. Okay, am I right? So I have the Alex 5-drawer unit. Maybe just let me get a view right here. So this first drawer is really truly just eye stuff. So we're gonna start right here at the back. By the way, if you want to see how I achieved these little separators, I did them myself, you know, because they ain't that cute truly. But you can just go right up here, I believe, the little eye, and I'm gonna put the playlist of the 2 videos where I really just did my whole beauty room stuff and everything. You know how a girl do, right? So right here, I have like eyeshadow accessories. So I have eye glitters from Stila, some NYX single eyeshadows, glitter primer. This is funny. I'm gonna try to open it with one hand. Oof, girl. This was like a 500 point perk at Sephora. Like, girl, please. It's the shade in the middle is pretty, but like, it's so little, you guys. It's like, anyways. I have this, and then I have a bunch of glitters behind. Like, truly, I have so many. It's actually ridiculous. So yeah, so I have all these glitters, and I'm just like, okay, what am I gonna do? So yeah, and then right up here, I have my lashes. These are the Simple Glam Girls lashes. My favorite pair, which is Everly, is upstairs actually, because yeah, it's upstairs because I was rooming for my makeup upstairs. And this here is a mini lash book by Celeste Los Angeles. Now, I really do like the format of this lash book, and I like the lash styles, but I feel as though the lashes, like the lash bands, are too like stiff. Let me show you, girl. The lash bands are way too stiff. Look at this, like it's popping out in the inner corner, and it does the same thing on my eyes. So I'm gonna try and play around a little more with this, and then we'll see. You feel me? Well, you feel me. Right over here, we have some brow products. So I have my Benefit Brow, which is my favorite. If you guys want to see what were my favorites of 2018, right up here. So yeah, so I have Eyebrow Kit by e.l.f. I have this pomade by e.l.f., which is actually really nice as well. Benefit still stays my favorite one. Brow gel. Yeah, I don't have much. I mean, I stick with this one pretty much. And then in the little middle compartment, I have the liners. I have all liners, white, colorful, black pencil liners. And then I have this, which is actually really fun. It's a like milk makeup, it's a tattoo stamp. So it's one in the Aries. Aries is my astrological sign, so it's like cute. It makes it look like a tattoo when I put it like on my face or on my neck, whatever. And then here I have mascaras. So I don't own that many mascaras because mascaras have a very short shelf life, so from 3 to 6 months. And because mascaras use really close to the eye region, I tend to really respect that shelf life because I'm not trying to go blind, you feel me? Anyways, next drawer. Okay, darlings, now we're at the cheek drawer. So anything on the cheeks is basically here, right? So we're gonna first start with blush. I got this e.l.f. blush palette. I have some Benefit, NYX, some more e.l.f. and I have some more e.l.f. right here of a liquid blush that I literally never use. I might just have to throw that out. It might be expired. Then right over here, I have some like really cute mini liquid highlighters. This I think is trash. I don't think it's that trash, okay? It could be so much worse, but I don't like it. I don't think it's worth much, right? So yeah, so I just have like all of these. I have some Becca, some e.l.f., some Fenty Beauty, Artist Couture, Jouer, Maybelline, Physicians Formula, and I have some ABHX Reezy. This one is so nice. Let me try and open it to show you, girl. Like, look at this. Wow, I used it. I really like it. It's such a good highlighter. So smooth. Reezy really did that. Yes, girl. Then right here I have my bronzer. So I have Physicians Formula, I have ABA powder bronzer. I always use these two, like one of these two, so you guys probably know them by now. But right here I have face paints. So this is like NYX cream paints. I have basic shades, white, red, and black. And I have some more actually, but they're not here yet because I'm keeping them for a video or something. You'll see, okay? You'll see. But this drawer is quite boring, but I really like the organization of it because it just makes everything really like divided. And yes, I have way too many highlighters. The highlighter to other cheek product ratio is awful, but whatever. I mean, it's me, come on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first really deep drawer. I mean, like, I could put like half my hand in here. If you're asking what this is basically when I do my makeup, you know, I reach out to drawers like this. Like I just go like this and I'm like that, and my hands are always dirty because I'm a child. So this is what happens. But let's go right over here. I got primers like this in forever, and then I got some setting sprays right here, Milani, Urban Decay, and then I have a priming spray by Urban Decay. Then in the back I have some powders, so like a foundation powder, just my favorite loose powder, some Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder. This actually is empty. I gotta put her in the garbage, and she is not worth your time, so whatever. Here for foundations, I got Maybelline mostly. I mean, this is not my shade at all. Like, this is because I did one makeup once, a makeup for like my mom's friend's wedding. This is Too Faced. Love this foundation. I have some Smashbox here, really good hydrating but long lasting foundation. Some ABH stick foundation, LA Girl Pro Coverage, and the foundation, that's basically it. Right over here I have concealers. So I have this NYX concealer palette that I don't use that much anymore. I don't know why. I guess we'll see. And then I have this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I have my favorite Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. So this is it for the base drawer. I feel like it's really boring, so I ain't gonna bore you. Next drawer, guys. Boom. This drawer I'm actually so proud of. Like, you guys don't even know. Like, I love it. Like, look at all of these dividers. I got so much room for lip products, and for all of them to be organized and just fit into everything. It's so nice. It makes me extremely happy. So I have 3 grooves actually that kind of low-key need to be done, but because I don't have that many lip products yet, and I'm not like a huge lip product buyer, I figured that this would do perfectly fine. So all the first row right here, it's all tube lipsticks, and then I have like liquid lipsticks here. This is BH Cosmetics, Sephora, Tarte. This is like the tiniest little Makeup Forever one. Ridiculous. This was part of the 500 point perk. So then I have my Fenty gloss. I have this, what is this? This is some random gloss, CoverGirl, Maybelline. These are NARS, is it the lip glide? What is it called? Velvet lip glides. These do not dry matte, but they're so pretty. These shades I don't wear that much, but if I do want to wear them, they're quite nice. Some baby lips here. I have this Maybelline. This, by the way, I just want to say, if you need a long-lasting lip color, this is the one. I've been through Japanese buffet with this for 3 hours and nothing bad happened. I got gloss here. I got the Jouer lip topper, really nice. Some Maybelline, then I got some e.l.f. Alyssa Ashley gloss, and then just like one of their normal glosses. They have big glosses too, like the tube is huge, whatever. Some lip oils, some lip pencils from Essence, Makeup Forever Rimmel, some Smashbox liquid lipsticks. There's one missing, it's in my purse right now. But yeah, I have this Fancy Booty Uncensored Stunner lip paint. I love that it fits here too, like it just fits. I don't put it upside down because I don't know. I only have one, so I know. And then I have the holiday glosses from ABH. My favorite for a new lid being the shade Diamond. It's so nice. So this is the lip drawer. Oh my god, we're at the last drawer already. Oh hey, you can see me in the reflection of the palette. But here's my palette drawer. So I have some Morphe 35B, some Morphe 35M, and some Morphe 35O. This was my first ever like big palette, like big Morphe palette. Let me show you the girl. She's been used. Oh girl. Oh my god, I'm trying to like really like help you see this, like probably a little, like look at her hit pan, dipped, like I carved it with my nail. It doesn't even look that used. Oh my god, I literally used this palette to death. And then I have my first ever palette that I ever bought. I should not have spent $62 for this. I shouldn't have, but I did, and the shades are quite nice, but I just don't know if I would ever like really reach for this palette. But because it was my first high-end palette, I actually bought it in New York, Sephora 5th Avenue. Like it's a memory for me, you know. I have ABH Modern Renaissance. We've seen her. Lemonade palette by Dominique Cosmetics. Love this. The blush palette by BH. This palette is actually really nice. This is the backlight highlighting palette. Like I love this. It's so nice. It's basically duochrome highlighters, so I use them most on my eyes because I don't really like doing highlight on my face, but yeah. And then right here I have my own custom Z palette with ColourPop shadows. Now I know there was like drama with Z palette, but I did buy this palette before the drama, and y'all, I'm kind of broke, so you know I'm gonna use what I bought. And then my Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes. Oh my god, she looks really bright. She is not that bright in real life, guys. Or maybe she is, who knows. Anyways, so yeah, this is it. The rest I filmed with my camera and it actually worked. But I had to film this with my phone because like there's too many angle changes. I have to focus things. So yeah, that's the tea. Enjoy the video, y'all.
We're gonna start here. I have all my brushes, which are all dirty. I absolutely hate the fact that they're dirty, but I have many different brushes. I have some from Morphe. I have BH Cosmetics. I have some Real Techniques. e.l.f. has really good brushes, by the way. So these are basically all of my eye brushes. This one is not full yet, so I know that eye brushes is something that I keep on buying because I just feel like they always get dirty, and I love doing very colorful looks, so you know I need these to be clean. Then right here we have small face brushes. So I have fan brushes. I have from Simple Glam Girls. I have Real Techniques. I feel as though face brushes, you don't really need to change them, whereas eye brushes, I feel like you just always need more and more and more. Face brushes are pretty universal. Once you find one that really works for you, you don't really need much more, right? So here I have big face brushes. So buffing brushes, like any type of big powder. This is a big powder brush. Love this so big. I'm being really dumb with this. Okay guys, this is it. I just want to tell you before we end this video that there is no way in hell that my makeup room, my makeup drawers, my makeup organization is as clean as you've seen it in this video all the time. That is not the case, especially when I film videos for you guys. Like every time I'm done, there's just so much makeup like all over the table. Like it's a mess, absolutely. But yeah, also fun fact, I have counted, like I've put in an Excel spreadsheet all of the makeup I own, all the prices and the amount of like times I own that makeup currently, and I've like counted everything, and I've done an inventory, and I figured that I had 2,500 and more of makeup. And why I'm saying more is because I didn't count my brushes, my makeup brushes in that thing, and I just realized these count too, girl. So I own 2,500 and more, a 2,500 plus makeup collection, you feel me? And I'm 17 years old, so yes, I really like makeup. I love it actually, you feel me? So again, my makeup collection is not the biggest, and I'm not doing this in no way, shape or form to brag. I'm not trying to brag, okay? This is purely me sharing what I own as far as makeup goes, because I just love when people do these videos. I just love all of this makeup. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section down below other video suggestions, what you liked about this video, what products you want to see more on my channel, because there's a lot of products up in here. And if you want to see some of them used more on my channel, then that would be an honor, you know? So again, if you like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel, guys. I love you so much. Happy New Year's, the best of luck for this new year, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.